Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry that our class ended between the Zoom class. My internet is very bad today for some reason. I don't know why. But that is why हमारा class बीच में cut हो जाए. So I'm going to do the class. I'll make the video and I'll send it through WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. So as you can see on your screen, if you from now, just give me 1 second. Yes. So the topic that we are going to learn today is Earth's gravitational acceleration. That is, we have learned from Newton's law that applying force on every object in the body. Ev- Earth is applying force on every object on Earth के ऊपर जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसके आसपास जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसके ऊपर Earth एक gravitational force अप्लाई करता है. Now, we know that when an force is applied, there's an acceleration. अगर मैं इसके ऊपर एक फोर्स अप्लाई करता है, इसको एक एक्सेलरेशन होगा, राइट. नाउ इन आवर प्रीवियस लेसन हमने ये पढ़ा कि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज इक्वल टू जी into mass of mass of one object into mass of the other object divided by the distance whole square. F is equal to G m1 m2 by d square. उधर G का वैल्यू 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 7 था, right? Now, what we are going to learn today is only about the force that our Earth is applying. So, when Earth is applying a force on the body, Earth किसी बॉडी के ऊपर एक फोर्स अप्लाई करता है, उसको एक एक्सेलरेशन है ना. तो वो एक्सेलरेशन को हम बोलते हैं एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. व्हाट डू वी से? एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू gravity. Clear? Now, when you're looking at acceleration due to gravity, think of a tree. Think of a fruit. No, sorry. Think of a stone and a feather. एक पत्थर और एक feather, right? Think of a stone and a feather. Now, if I am dropping the stone and the feather from the top of the building, एक बिल्डिंग के ऊपर से मैं एक stone और एक feather को ड्रॉप करता है, उस समय which will come down first? इन दोनों में which will come down first? सब पहले कौन नीचे आ जाएगा? दो. I am going to give you 5 seconds to think about it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Your answer I think should be stone, because stone is of a higher mass, right? तो stone को higher mass है तो stone नीचे आ जाएगा. Now, I am going to show you one experiment on my screen now, and you need to tell me what you and I want you to think of what you see. Okay. Now this is experiment is called Galileo's famous gravity experiment. हमने जो भी अभी बोला है उसके ऊपर गैलीलियो ने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था. वो experiment is what we are going to see now. Okay, that is Galileo's experiment was the same. He put a ball and a feather together. Okay, watch the experiment for the next 3 minutes.
This is NASA's Space Power Facility near Cleveland, Ohio, and it is the world's biggest vacuum chamber. It's used to test spacecraft in the conditions of outer space, and it does that by pumping out the 30 tons of air. Galileo's
That is, this experiment is done in a space center in USA. That is done to space में कैसा है, like outer space में कैसा है, उसको एक मॉडल बना के वो करने के लिए है this space is used. Okay, that is this place can pump out the air in the उधर जो भी air है ना, like how we have air, वो air पूरा pump out करता है. That is, there will be zero air inside the chamber. Now let's listen.
experiment was simple. He took a heavy object and a light one and dropped them at the same time to see which fell fastest.
I'm just going to behind करके एक और बार करेगा. Okay, in this experiment, which fell faster? When there was a ball and a feather, the ball fell faster. Okay, now I want you to closely examine what he's going to say. This is a part that we all know, है ना? एक हाइट में हम ड्रॉप करते हैं तो it will be the ball that will come down faster. It is very easy, we already know this. Now let's see what he's going to do.
Now in this case, the feathers fell to the ground at a slower rate than the bowling ball because of air resistance.
That is, he's saying, why did the ball fall faster? That was because of air resistance. हमारा air एक छोटा मास को ज्यादा resistance देता है. Think of this, if this is air और ये मेरा मास है, एक छोटा मास है तो ऐसा जाके इसको ज्यादा पुश देता है, एक लेकिन बड़ा मास है तो एयर को उतना रेसिस्टेंस नहीं दे सकता है. छोटा मास है तो ये रेसिस्टेंस ज्यादा है, लेकिन बड़ा मास है तो वो ज्यादा है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू डू इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट.
So in order to see the true nature of gravity, we have to remove the air.
Okay, we dropped 2 millitorr in the last 30 minutes.
But once it's complete, there's a near perfect vacuum inside.
61.
What they are doing is they are removing air. Once the air is removed, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, उधर सिर्फ वैक्यूम है. अभी पूरा एयर, वो रूम का पूरा एयर हटा रहा है, अभी सिर्फ वैक्यूम है.
Ford manual 10% open. Station 1, go for drop. PCV 30-1, pressure set point at 240 psi. We are go for drop.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Cameras on. 2, 1. Release.
You can see that.
Exact.
Look at that.
Exact. They came down exactly the same. Wow.
Look.
Watch right there. Look at how they hit right there.
Okay, guys. So, what did you understand from that? When air resistance was removed, एक रूम का पूरा एयर हटा के when it was dropped, दोनों एक ही समय में नीचे आया. क्यों? आंसर इज ग्रेविटी. एवरी बॉडी, ये दोनों के ऊपर अर्थ फोर्स अप्लाई करता था पहले भी. एयर रेसिस्टेंस, जब एयर था उस टाइम भी फोर्स लगता था, और वो फोर्स से वो नीचे भी आता था, लेकिन एयर उसको रेसिस्ट करता था. सो व्हेन वी रिमूव दैट एयर रेसिस्टेंस, वो फोर्स से दोनों एक साथ आता है, क्योंकि द फोर्स दैट द अर्थ इज अप्लाइंग ऑन द बॉडी इज सेम. दैट इज कॉल्ड acceleration due to gravity. Now let's see how that is calculated. Okay, according to Newton's, let's assume that the mass of the object is m, distance from center of the earth, because ये earth का gravity है ना, तो center of the earth से हम we are saying that distance to the center of the earth is r. Now the equation F is equal to g m1 m by r square, where m is mass of earth and small m is mass of object. And we know that F is equal to mass into acceleration. We know that mass into acceleration. And here it is acceleration due to gravity. It is g, and we denote the letter by g. Instead of a, we are using the letter g because this is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity के time पे acceleration को हम g use करता है. So now we are going to equate it. gm by m r square is equal to mg. m और m कट हो जाएगा, तो g is equal to gm by r square. G is a constant, right? We know the value of G, that is 6 in, that is what was the value of G? Forgot. And M is a mass of the earth, right? Mass value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. ये हमें already पता है. Mass of earth वो भी constant है. And radius हमें पता है कि surface of the earth to सेंटर कितना है वो भी हमें पता है. So we get the value 9.77 meter per second, which we assume as 9.8 meter per second square. That is every body in this earth, जब वो नीचे आता है, for every body on this earth, it has a acceleration of 9.8 meter per second square because of the फोर्स ऑफ अर्थ. अर्थ का फोर्स के कारण हर एक बॉडी को 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर एक्सेलरेशन है. एंड इट इज सेम फॉर ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. अभी ये अर्थ का इधर भी जहां भी हम रखा है वो सब सेम है, क्योंकि रेडियस ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज 9.8. I'm going to repeat whatever I said till now. Every body on the surface of earth के surface के हर एक body को एक force है, वो हमें already पता है. इसलिए now if there is a force by Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration, right? तो अगर force है तो उसको एक acceleration भी है, तो the acceleration due to Earth's gravitational force is called g. We use, instead of a, we use the letter g. Now we need to find what is this acceleration. उसके लिए हम फाइंड किया g is equal to gm by r square, and उसका वैल्यू है 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. उसे हम क्या पता, अर्थ में हर एक सरफेस, अर्थ का सरफेस में हर एक बॉडी को सेम वेलोसिटी है. उसको समझाने के लिए हमें एक वीडियो भी देखा जहाँ एक स्टोन और एक फेदर एक साथ रिलीज किया. जब नॉर्मल कंडीशंस में होता है स्टोन पहले आता है. उसका रीजन ये है कि एयर रेसिस्टेंस है, एंड एयर रेसिस्टेंस एक छोटे मास को ज्यादा रेसिस्टेंस दे रहा है, बड़े मास को उतना नहीं। लेकिन अगर हम वो एयर को हटा रहे हैं, ideally what should both of them is falling together, it is because if both of them is falling together, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, दोनों के ऊपर सेम फोर्स ही अप्लाई कर रहा है। I hope you understood this video. I'm going to send a Google. I'm going to send this. I'm going to send the slides to you, and also a Google form. I know this stuff. This topic might sound a bit difficult, but please do fill the Google form if you, so that I can understand how much you understood. Okay, cool. Bye bye, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow.